Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone, the step is very simple. You just need to press your volume button and your power button at the same time, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Press the volume button and the power button at the same time like this. Okay, and there is another way to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can use this assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like, and if you have activated this assistant menu, you just need to click on this assistant menu and click on screenshots. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can activate the assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to setting, and then you have to open the accessibility setting. You can scroll down to find this accessibility setting, and then go to the interaction and dexterity. Select the assistant menu. This is where the assistant menu in. You just need to click on the circle button to activate this assistant menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.